Good morning. Good morning. Hey. Turn the vehicle off. Turn the vehicle off. No, it's not. Turn the vehicle off. I'm telling you to turn the car off. Okay. So it's not. Turn the car off. Now it's off.
Bucky tells me when it's off. Are you gonna be an aggressive ambulance guy, or are you gonna be a nice guy, an ambulance guy?
Do you want to tell me what's going on?
Nothing. I was just trying to sober up. That's it. I went to get help, and then they f***ed up my medicine. They told me they were gonna help me with my and they were gonna help me with my ambulance. They were gonna help me with me, and then they didn't help me with that, but I have proof that they didn't help me.
So, where are you trying to get to tonight?
I'm just trying to stay here.
Where are you at right now?
I don't know. Can I call my grandma?
No, you're not calling anyone right now.
Are you gonna play hard cop? Because if you want to play hard cop, I'll play hard cop with you. Because I'll play hard cop.
We're gonna stop with this right now. Super single one.
Okay, car's off, right?
Yeah. I think this is technically, I called for a county unit.
I think it is, but I'll have to check.
Yeah.
I'm not playing games. I already filed a grievance against the last place that was trying to detox me from and then they kept messing with my medication, and then they said they were gonna help me.
4 Delta 11 on tech.
Officer Smith, just come talk to her while he's talking to somebody.
I'm not talking to anyone else.
Okay, yeah, if you want us to take this is going to be a single one. Okay, we'll take it.
This ours, isn't it?
It's not, but we were just granted mutual aid to just take it.
Against,
Okay.
So I'm fine with taking this.
Okay,
Because
I can have him
they-
do it, or you can do it. You
they
tell me what
said
you want.
they were
I don't think she's going to
help
cooperate, but
me
we'll try.
Okay.
detox off of alcohol, but
Okay.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Hold on, you're not going anywhere.
I have to pee. So you can give me a bedpan, or I can pee right on the floor right here.
No, you're going to keep your pants on.
Yeah, we don't want to take our pants off out here. We're in public.
I am not. I am a U.S. citizen. I am a U.S. citizen. I will sit right here. Sit right. My rights. As
All right, well, I'm going to
I
ask you a question. Based on what I'm seeing, I think you've had too much to drink to be operating a motor vehicle. Are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises for me?
I have had my keys out of the ignition.
Yeah, I just took them out.
Specifically.
Are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises for me?
I can prove to you.
So you're willing to do field sobriety exercises for me?
Yes.
All right, well,
And you want to do this hard cop, bad cop bullshit? I know my rights as an American citizen.
all right. So why don't you step out of the car for me?
I just need to do
50 grand is mutual aid. I'll take this for you.
Or I can hold my pee.
Are you gonna do field sobriety exercises with me?
I can hold my pee, and if you want to do it like that, I can do
do
it.
want to do it like that. So why don't you step out of the vehicle?
Okay. I've literally been sitting here in my.
Okay, no. Go with this officer. You can't walk out the road. Somebody will hit you.
Why don't we come over here in front of my car?
Yep, follow him.
This way. Okay.
I was just trying to get to SMA for sobriety.
I don't think you're going to be able to do it for safety reasons.
All right.
You can pull all the tricks you want, but I know
Okay.
my rights as an American.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'm
Talk to
going to
you
have
about
you
all that,
put your
okay?
hands behind your
Put
back.
hands behind my back, because I still have lesions on my fucking feet. When you fucking did that shit to me last time, and I am an American citizen, and I swear to God, when Trump comes into office, he will make sure that you guys go down.
Okay. All right. Come to my car.
I was just trying to sober up. That's it.
Step over the puddle.
You don't want to get wet socks.
Pebble.
No, the puddle.
Over the puddle.
Otherwise, you're going to get mushy socks.
Yep. No. Go
Step.
with him. Go with him, okay?
Like levitator.
Okay. Oh, in the
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Seat. Yep, sit down.
And I have a seizure disorder, so I hope you know that. And I
Step into the car. Yeah.
you can do whatever you want to me. I swear to God,
Okay.
my grandma
Okay.
has been a nurse.
Okay, I'm going to go take some pictures of the 27,000 open containers in the vehicle. I got the pictures of the 5 tall boys I can immediately see.
Okay. I'll have him do a search and make sure nothing else comes up. Don't need any more photos?
I just took pictures of the
Okay.
This
interior.
looks pretty fresh too, bro. I don't. These damaged like the front and this.
Yeah, and she's hit something. It doesn't matter
Like,
what.
you got gloves in your car?
Yeah.
I can't really.
Yeah, oh yeah. Sometimes, just like usually earlier in the night, because sometimes they're avoiding you.
Yeah.
I was
Just driving and saw this.
just driving and saw this. Actually, I passed it. I'm like, oh, maybe they're running in. I come back around and still here. It's like, all right, let me go. I walk up and she's just in the front seat,
Yeah.
like, oh, I'm like, oh. What's she doing? Okay, just please keep an eye on her. She's already passed out on me.
I just checked on her like 45 seconds ago.
Okay, she's probably gonna have to go to the hospital. Oh, my bad.
Hey, Tom.
She's not capable of standing on her own.
Oh, is she not? Okay. Sit up. Sit up for me. Sit up.
That's all it was.
Does this light look like it's dying to you?
Yeah, you're probably gonna need to charge it.
Trying to
did.
get this.
Watch out in this door. Okay, come on, step on out.
I can't step it out.
Come on. We're coming this way.